Today, we're diving deep into what could be one of Sony's most exciting upcoming releases, the Sony A7V, a camera that's been generating considerable buzz across photography and videography communities worldwide for months. Industry insiders, camera enthusiasts, and reliable rumor sources have been speculating about this highly anticipated addition to Sony's alpha mirrorless camera lineup. With projected features like a groundbreaking 44-megapixel full-frame sensor, AI-powered autofocus, ultra-high-speed video recording, and an ergonomically improved body design, the Sony A7V seems positioned to be a major leap forward for both professional photographers and ambitious content creators. Let's unpack all the rumored specifications, design updates, and potential release timelines to see why this camera could set a new benchmark in 2025. The conversation around the Sony A7V is rapidly gaining momentum as more leaks and reports surface, hinting at a product that could redefine what we expect from a full-frame mirrorless camera. The Sony A7 series has long been praised for its versatility, and if these early reports hold true, the A7 may emerge as the most balanced and capable alpha model yet. What's making the Sony A7V such a hot topic? It's not just a single standout feature, it's the impressive combination of cutting-edge technology, superior handling, and professional-grade video performance that has potential buyers and industry experts so intrigued. Sensor technology, 44 megapixels of pure performance. At the heart of the Sony A7V is the rumored next-generation 44-megapixel exmor RC CMOS full-frame sensor. This isn't just any sensor, it's expected to employ a partially stacked architecture that significantly improves readout speeds. Faster readout translates to a dramatic reduction in rolling shutter artifacts, which is a huge benefit for fast-paced shooting environments like sports, wildlife, and event photography. The 44-megapixel resolution sits comfortably in the sweet spot for modern cameras, offering exceptional image detail without creating unmanageable file sizes. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, editorial portraits, or high-resolution product photography, the Sony A7V sensor is shaping up to be a powerful, flexible tool for serious creators. For those familiar with Sony's imaging philosophy, this camera could bring the perfect balance between resolution and speed, similar to what Sony achieved with the A1 but potentially at a more accessible price point. Let's talk about the Sony A7V's rumored video capabilities, which are generating a lot of excitement in the filmmaking community. The faster sensor readout is expected to enable 4K video recording at an impressive 120 frames per second, ideal for silky smooth slow-motion footage. Even more impressive, some reports suggest the A7V might also support 8K video at 30 frames per second, bringing it into direct competition with flagship hybrid cameras from brands like Canon and Nikon. If this holds true, it would provide content creators, YouTubers, indie filmmakers, and commercial videographers with future-proof video quality that can comfortably meet the increasing demand for ultra-high-resolution content. High frame rate 4K and native 8K recording in a compact mirrorless body would make the A7V a powerhouse for cinematic productions, dynamic travel vlogs, sports coverage, and high-end social media content creation. One of the standout features likely to set the Sony A7V apart is its next-generation AI-powered autofocus system. Sony has already set the industry standard with its real-time IAF and real-time tracking, but the A7V is expected to push these capabilities even further. Rumors suggest the autofocus will leverage enhanced artificial intelligence algorithms to offer even more accurate and reliable tracking of human eyes, animal eyes, and possibly even vehicle detection. This would be a tremendous advantage for wildlife photographers, sports shooters, portrait artists, and vloggers who need the camera to lock onto moving subjects instantly and maintain sharp focus throughout the shot. The AI-assisted focus could also prove invaluable for video creators, allowing for smooth subject transitions and cinematic focus pulls, without the need for manual adjustments. In addition to its expected prowess in still photography and video, the Sony A7V is rumored to offer blazing fast continuous shooting speeds of up to 20 frames per second. Whether using a mechanical shutter or silent electronic shutter, this capability would make the A7V an outstanding tool for action-packed scenarios, from wildlife safaris to championship sports events. Imagine being able to capture split-second moments with near-flawless accuracy and minimal blackout in the viewfinder. With high-speed burst shooting combined with the AI autofocus system, photographers will have the confidence to track and freeze high-speed subjects with ease. A critical part of any professional camera is its electronic viewfinder, and the Sony A7V is rumored to feature a 5.76 million OLED EVF. This high-resolution EVF should deliver a crystal-clear, immersive shooting experience, making it easy to compose your shots even in bright sunlight. For photographers who depend on precision framing, focus accuracy, and exposure adjustments in real time, this high-quality viewfinder will be a welcome addition. The A7V is expected to feature a deeper, more secure grip for all-day shooting comfort, improved button placement and tactile controls for quick, intuitive adjustments, possibly a more robust, weather-sealed body for outdoor and travel shooting in challenging environments. These refinements could make the A7V especially attractive to professionals who shoot for extended periods or in less than ideal conditions. Release date and industry signals. There's been plenty of speculation surrounding the official release date of the Sony A7V. Current industry chatter suggests a potential launch in the second quarter of 2025, possibly around July, although some sources have indicated there could be minor delays. Interestingly, Sony's recent registration of a new camera model in China has added further credibility to these rumors. Historically, Sony's product registrations tend to occur just months before an official product announcement, which fuels hopes that we're getting closer to seeing this camera unveiled. The A7R series focuses on ultra-high-resolution imaging. The A9 series prioritizes speed and performance. The A7S series excels in low-light video production. The Sony A7V, according to early reports, appears to take a well-balanced, hybrid approach, delivering high-resolution stills, ultra-fast video frame rates, AI autofocus, and refined ergonomics all in one package. Having a camera that can confidently transition between stills and video without compromise is a huge advantage in today's competitive creator landscape, although not much has been confirmed regarding connectivity. Sony's recent track record suggests the A7V will likely include dual card slots for fast storage and professional backup workflows, USB-C charging and data transfer for speed and convenience, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for quick image sharing, and remote control via mobile apps. Advanced in-body image stabilization to minimize shake in both photo and video modes. Battery life is another key point that many creators are eager to hear about, especially for those considering the A7V for extended video shoots or demanding field work. Final thoughts: a potential game-changer for 2025. Wrapping up this in-depth look at the Sony A7V, it's easy to see why anticipation is building. If even half of the rumored specs materialize, this camera could be a game-changing addition to Sony's mirrorless lineup.